Hi all, good day. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I come with another topic. Welcome to my channel. So today very interesting and very attractive topic for AI. So topic for today, how to become an AI influencer in 2026. So you can earn, you can create, you can grow using AI. So some few tools which I will describe here in this session today, that how we can earn and create and grow using AI. And this particular topic I will cover why this topics work, why how this topic work, okay, how this topic could work, and what is AI influencer. Okay, so everyone today's world, everyone wants some side income, some passive income, right? So in that regards, we all need to know how AI tools can help. By using AI tools, you can have a passive or the any kind of uh, side income. Okay, so now AI influencer who are interested to become an AI influencer and who wants to use and buy these AI tools and to earn some money. So like people are using in reels, okay, how they are using in marketing by using couple of tools, by editing videos, editing pictures. We have seen, like, we are seeing in our daily life in YouTube channel and different OT platforms. So in Instagram and others, so people are how they are using it. Okay, how the AI tools are using and generating some kind of income. Okay, side income. Even people are also doing full-time job for this. So that depends person to person how you can become an AI influencer. So some kind of practical tools, names I will give, where you can refer, you can use it and you practice it, and you can know how you can use it. Okay, so I will break down something. First of all, we should know what is AI influencer. Okay, so basically AI influencer are types will be like YouTube creation. Okay, those who are interested to create some YouTube channel and by using certain AI tools can generate video, can edit video, can modify video by different vertical, maybe for education, maybe for business, maybe for professionals. This can be generate income by students also, by professional, by business. These tools can help in different ways, which I will come to the upcoming slide and upcoming session, upcoming this session. So AI, image generation, video generation, editing video, voice recognition, voice creation. So these things we can able to use through AI tools. So first I will come for the beginners, those who are beginner. So for those beginner, like in my earlier session also, I have given certain tools, name of the tools like ChatGPT, Canva, then various tools like RunML. Okay, these tools like ChatGPT, you can create script writing. So ChatGPT, you can script writing, you can use it. Okay, same goes for like you can use Canva for design. Okay, Canva for design. Then third, you can use generating videos, right? Run ML video. Okay, videos. Now some more tools I can give you. CapCut for editing. Okay, for editing purpose you can use CapCut. Editing purpose you can use it. Uh, Element. Okay, Element Labs you can use it. Element Labs can help. This is one of the AI tool which can help for the voiceovers. Okay, Element Labs. Element Labs for voiceover. Okay, some more tools I can give, like you can say These are the few tools I can name it. There are other more several tools over AI which can leverage and which can also help in better way in design, video editing, generating script and all those stuff. So for video creation and editing, you can use RunML is the one good one. Runway ML. It is not RunML, Runway ML. So Runway ML is good for the text to video, background modification, background removal, or these things you can use for the Runway ML. So suppose you have some kind of marketing page, okay, you have some branding, okay, brand page. So that brand page you can generate some videos through this tool, Runway ML, and you can modify accordingly according to your requirement. Okay, so Runway Synthesia is one of the tool. Synthesia. Okay, this is one of the AI tool which can help create videos with some AI avatars. Okay, Synthesia create videos with AI avatars. Okay, this is also a good tool. It's very attractive. You can create some videos. Okay, you can give some prompt, and based on the prompt it will give you videos of AI avatars, predefined avatars. You can also customize, but there might be some subscriptions will be there, charges. If you customize those videos, then there will be a small charges you need to pay for the subscription. It's a pay as you go kind of service. But the free version, trial version, you can use it. You can create videos by the help of the prompt, and it will give you result as a AI avatars. Okay, so this Descript is one of the tool. Descript is one of the tool where you can use it. This Descript edit videos, like it will help for editing videos like text and all. Okay, so Descript is a good tool. Descript AI tool, editing videos. Okay, so this is good. Now for voice and audio tools, you can use some couple of tools. Renowned tools are there for AI tools like Marf AI, Play HD. Okay, these are all voiceover and multiple voice styles. Okay, Marf AI and Play HD. Marf AI, and Play HD. These are tools for the voiceover. Okay, voiceover, voice style. You can change your tone. Okay, you can change male tone, female tone. You can use you can use these by these tools. You can use your voiceover editing. Okay. Now I am coming back to the this is for image and design tools. As I said, Canva is the best one. You can use Canva, Figma. Okay, Canva, Figma. These are some few tools. More tools we have. Mid Journey, you have Leonardo AI. We have Adobe Firefly. You have. So for design, Figma, Canva. Then you have Mid Journey. Then you have Leonardo AI. Then Adobe Firefly. These are all for design tools. Okay, image design tools. You can say image design tools. These are good. Okay, these tools. For content and copywriting, I told you for any kind of script, ChatGPT is a good one. But apart from ChatGPT, you can use Jasper AI, then Copy AI. Okay, for the content and copywriting, Jasper AI and Copy AI. So these are the few tools which you can use it wisely, and through these tools, okay, if you do some permutation combination, if you practice these tools, you can definitely reach as a passive income. You can create some videos, some you can create channels, Instagram. You can post your reels. Okay, post your reels, post your videos by the help of these tools, AI tools. You can use it and you can generate a passive income. Okay, you can grow your channels, you can grow your as an AI influencer to become an AI influencer. Okay, so AI influencer. It should be, if you are interested seriously, you have to spend some time, you have to practice these tools. After practicing these tools, then if you are confident, then slowly, small chunks, you can create some videos, you can generate, you can upload it, you can put it in your Instagram and some reels and all. You can try these options. Okay, so AI influencer आपको अगर बनना है, सो यह इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने के लिए you don't need to pay any investment. It's a zero investment. Okay, first I'm giving you some important points. And no face, no creation, so you don't need to display your face. For using these tools, you don't need to display any face, you don't need camera, you don't need anything, so you can earn with these AI tools also. Okay, how you can create, you can also, it will benefit, you can reduce your time within couple of minutes with few clicks, and you can create some very good interesting videos and image, and some kind of your you can through this, by generating these videos, uploading these videos, by you can generate a passive income by YouTube monetization, some affiliated marketing and brand deals. Okay, settling some digital products you can fill out, so that you can generate a passive income. So so bonus is that I can tell you that you don't need any investment, upfront investment. Just you need to use these tools. You can generate your passive income. So this is all about my today's session. Topic for today: become an AI influencer in 2026. So if you feel this session and these tools are very insights and very good and very interesting for you, and try to use these tools in your free time. Practice it, and also put it some comment and messages. Your output will be helpful for me, so that I can also put my respond to all the messages accordingly. If you need certain kind of supports or help is needed, so you start from today by using these tools, so that you can generate some passive income. Okay, so this is all about my today's session. And if you like my session today, please subscribe to my channel and put it some comment in the below comment box, below message comment box, and like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you all. I will come back to more interesting topic and sessions like this, and please let me know what kind of topic and sessions you would like it. I will bring some more AI related topic, generative AI or machine learning related topics, more like small topics I can bring up for the next sessions. Thank you all. Have a great week for this week. Thank you for watching my session. Thank you so much. Bye bye.